What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today we're going to be making a delicious string bean salad. We have some veggies we're going to put in it. We're going to be using a vinaigrette dressing that's pre-made. It's going to be really simple and very delicious, so let's get right to work. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so every time we upload a new video you get notified for brand new healthy recipes. Okay, so this is what we got for ingredients today. I got about 6 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic, finely minced. 1 diced Anaheim pepper. About a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Fresh pepper, cracked pepper. Shredded kale. About 1 cup of that. And I have probably about 4 cups of string beans that I cut small pieces at an angle. About a 1/2 cup of roasted red peppers. And about a 1.5 cups of diced tomato. And I'm using this olive oil and vinegar Ken's Simply vinaigrette dressing. Is pretty good. It doesn't have any preservatives or anything, nor artificial flavors. I like how these dressings are made so far, so I got lazy and I figured I would use this instead of oil and vinegar. You could certainly make your own, or you can use your favorite dressing on this. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and take these string beans and put them in hot water just for like about 3 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, so in this bowl basically we're going to mix our ingredients and dressing. So when the string beans come out, we just put them in a cold water and cool them off, and then bring them in here. And this is actually fresh parsley from my garden that's thriving right now. Here is the Anaheim pepper, also from my garden. And if you guys can grow your own veggies, it's not really that hard. It takes a little bit of learning, but I can promise that it's one of the most satisfying things I've ever done. I love the fact that I'm growing a lot of these vegetables that I eat every day now. Now this, I left a little bit of the liquid in there purposely because it's got some flavor. It's like a pickling type of liquid that they use in the peppers, and it gives it a little bit more flavor. I'm going to add just a little bit of black pepper. I'll add some more later. And it's just going to kind of fold this together. Fresh garlic and salad, to me, it is amazing. It's just so good for you, and it just adds just that extra dimension of flavor. I just love it. See how beautiful that is? Look at that color. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the dressing just to kind of bring out some of the moisture on the veggies and marry them together. And then just fold it. Allow for all those flavors to kind of come out and mingle. And that kale to get a little bit softer. And this salad actually is better when it's been in the fridge for like a day or a few hours. It starts to get really, really nice with all the flavors. It'll keep for a few days very good. You won't have any problems with it. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and bring in our string beans. I'm going to put them in a bath of cold or ice water first, and then we're going to cool them off and bring them into the salad. Alright, so now that we cooled off the beans, I'm going to go ahead and add them in. And they look perfect. Go ahead and mix all that veggie base and flavoring in with them. Give it a taste and then adjust. Add any more dressing or salt or pepper or anything that needs to be adjusted here for the final dish. How beautiful it looks, full of nutrition, so many colors. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and taste. Got a little bit more dressing and a little bit more salt. About a tablespoon or so. A little bit more salt. Now you can eat this like this, or you can put it in the refrigerator, you know, for 20 minutes to cool, and it will be even more delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and serve it and give it a taste for you guys. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful the salad came out. Super nice. Look at all those colors, I love it. Just my kind of food, loaded with nutrients, loaded with color, loaded with life. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Please remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you get updated when we upload new recipe videos, and I'll see you guys really soon on the next one. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this beautiful salad a taste. Wow. First thing I'm getting is a little bit of the acidity from the vinegar and the dressing. I'm getting the taste of the fresh parsley, the garlic, fresh garlic in there. The beans are nice and soft. The fresh cracked black pepper. Really simple salad. And it just comes out amazing with the string beans.